go they spoil my name for back. I not talk. I just lie low because I feel say as far as saying now you come with your clean heart, and I also supported you with my clean heart, and you go to my back to tell people not mad there for there. Even some people when I not offend, just courage change to enemy. I don't even mind them because I feel say all these ones not be real people will love you, because the real people that loves you will not just suddenly turn to your enemy. Yes, for real. I hate rubbish. Yes, for real. As I be so now, I be Osas diploma brother and fan. I be very good friend. I'll come see you for the trauma they give Osas diploma innocent children. I'll come go give. Now I want to play something before I play something. Because now you they find my trouble now and I'm going to give it to you on my list. Yes. Because your intention of coming to this live stream, people don't know. So it is our time. I expose you a little bit. Then you go use your mouth to talk when you sleep. Nothing tomorrow morning. There will be a very big problem between me and you, because I've told you before not to give Goya. Even if say you want to give Goya, not be now. Not be now. How many Goya supporters you don't say come here, come they gift me? That's real lovers. That's real lovers. You give Godfather. I don't get issue with Godfather. Me and Godfather they quarrel, but Godfather is not trauma to my kids. So I have no issue with Godfather. You give, if you like, go pack all your money, give Godfather. But for you to give Goya when the matter they go on, I want to expose you. But before then, I want, because this issue go big. This issue one go white and so go big. So before that time, I do not want to do anything that will say, now I not get fair trouble. They're not going to talk with you, or please don't do. You did it the other day. A lot of people called me. Maybe she not know. Maybe she just do it for okay. Then you went there again today to do it. That will make you do and will make you regret. Don't worry. Just hold on a minute. I'm going to expose. I want to expose all of them one by one. So that those people who want to go spoil my name give, go know so I'll be bad person and I'll be the evil. Not be me. Because if you say you like me, you want to be my fan, if I say I know, that's why they tell my fans say, this life we all do like this, so it gets some kind of fans when I go see for party. If they give me food, I know eat. Because it's not everyone that calls you a fan that really loves you. Some go just play with you to poison you. And that is the ironical of Enogie. And I'm going to prove it here tonight. I just want to play one thing first. One thing to convince and to let people know that your coming here was not for good, it was for evil. But before then, I want to play the thing where you do me, because if not be say you defend my trouble, you're not going to do it till they do so. I have warned you several times. You can give your money to anybody, they're not born you. You can't call me someone you love. The love that I've given to you, Goya, I've never given that kind of love to you. That's why these days when people call me, "Pa, beg, I want me to help me blow my page," I'll tell them I'm sorry. We have to come to an agreement. If you want me to help you blow your page, it's either you give me money or you go. If I say so you be gifter, I feel they come your page. I still talk, I'm the only sincere gifters that I ever had is number 1, happiness. Number 2, Aisha. Number 3, Midnight. And who again? They many, but I don't want to add all those ones. Join on, please. Please come. Cancel that.
Please don't come. Please don't give me rose. Please don't come. Please.
No, I just mentioned few of my gifters. I don't feel mention all of them because there are too many. When they really support me, when they listen, because anything I started to do from now, nobody should blame me and say he meant to Sagaram. And say you be my enemy. Now let when you be my enemy. Now you get it. Why you not go give her? Now you get money for her. This is an evidence of a betrayal. When you betray me as a friend, I will betray you. I will betray you past the way you do me. This is an evidence of a betrayal. If okay, as you give Godfather now, you say I quarrel. As you give Godfather now, you say I quarrel. Because me and Godfather don't get normal issue, you dey crazy, you dey mad. Yes, na small pikin, but forget, you don't do media. Godfather has never, as this saga don't still outreach now, made trauma to my kids. If there's any video where Godfather don't take trauma to my kids, maybe I don't know. Is there any video? Now let me and my wife, she dey insult. Even when I would tell Godfather, I say, Godfather, go do me, you go born. Even some people don't change them, they give the trauma they give my kids. But he did not do that. The same today again, you give Godfather. I'm not quarrel for that one because now just issue. You called me your own. You come the door now and still say that waiting me do you make you run for this platform. You go my enemy. Just the watch. I don't want to beat you because of the gift you give Goya. I want to beat you because of the betray. You are enjoying the insult passed to my children. You see my life. You see your life. All right.
Mommy, Saga we go. Mommy, Saga we go. Mommy. Mommy, thank you. Mommy, thank you. Thank you for the gift.
You see how Enogie, no. Meaning, she did it deliberately. What I do you? Now you even be one spoil my life. If not for the wisdom and understanding. What a muagoria. Now you be one tarnish my image. If not for the wisdom that I have for, even for the wisdom when I use for you. Now, tell Goya to get ready to defend you. And now the saga will start. For you to go to Goya and gift her, may they insult me. Meaning you yourself don't still ready for the saga. Okay? But before then, we need to tell the whole world. And you see me, I don't go, yeah, beg. Because you were the one who betrayed me. I have warned you several times to be very, very careful. This is the sign of a betrayal, not the way you want to tell me. That's the sign of a betrayal. What they plan. Because they play this thing now. In case of tomorrow, when I want the talk put, when I go call this video, keep. The reason why I don't get beat on my place. When you want to deliberate on it tomorrow, you go talk on. If you be my enemy, you not talk truth. If you happen to, you know, see matter talk. Another one called the other one. That one, nah, slow poison. All the way we bokwa, but me I first start with Tom Blaze. Cause that one, he never to do some kind of things where go make me come out and join her. Let me first leave that or that slow poison first. Me Tom Blaze come, Larry.
Good afternoon, my love.
How are you?
Mommy, talk everything.
Goya.
Mommy.
Now the first time I did join your live stream with this, right?
That will be the last time.
Goya, I love you.
I love you.
Goya, I don't like koala normally. Okay?
Goya, if you mention in how yeah, God will punish your papa. I don't mention anybody. I say slow poison. Nobody should add in out to this because you are not getting it. Do me. Please, I beg you in the name of God. If you write in out yeah, I will block you.
Yeah. Goya. Goya, If you want me to support you, stop problem. I know they gift you for problem. I gift you. Go here.
If you want me to support you, stop problem. You know, wait, make our saga fair finish first. As a friend, where you be to me. You know wait. You know wait. Now the time when they insult me, my children enemy, and my wife, and that time you walk over the adversary, friend enemy. You know what? You are welcome to saga. That thing so where you dey feel say me no go fit do you, or that maybe you don't still go. I don't know, but if anything still there for my own, still go play on. But you see what we want to do here today? We want to do the disgrace. That thing we dey hide since all this. I want to expose it to the general public. Let people to know if I be really bad person to you or if I not wrong way. Now share the live stream and power tap. Please. I give you now till 24 hours. Now till 24 hours. Because I want to put people on suspense. I give you now till 24 hours to use your mouth to tell the world what you do me. Hello? You are claiming now to be a married woman, but I'll put it to you that you are not married. That is what you told me, that you are not married. But I know fully well that you are married. But you told me that you are not married. You gifting me was not just for a normal love. Your gifting was more than a normal love. Like the normal gift now with the measure they give me, thank you, I want to support Ipa. All those that shout are normal, all those happiness, midnight. But yours wasn't for normal. That is why they tell you now. Say now till tomorrow evening. What did we tell now? This is 4 p.m. Friday evening. If by tomorrow evening you not use your mouth to tell the world the atrocities you have committed that made me to say go, I don't need you anymore. I will come and use my mouth to say it. Yes, now our saga come. I tell you before, say this thing I don't want, and now you force me to this relationship stuff, and you're a married woman. So I beg you now with the name of God, because you don't look for fame. Maybe this is the time you will have the fame. It's not a problem. I beg you with everything that is in me. Come and use your mouth to confess. I told you I don't need this stupid relationship, dating or fitting from the beginning. I told you. This is the reason why if I lie in anything that I will say, you go bring juju paper for me. Maybe like your baby papa so not know, your husband don't know the one you do for UK. I'm going to expose you. Yes. So that I just use one thing. So that if they give Goya the lion, I know they look out from the eye of a betrayer again. And they look and say, now eye of a support, you support him. So that all of it do that, it go not match so that I go not say you're my enemy. They feel I give you now 24 hours to use your mouth to tell the world what you did to me. If you're not talking, if I come tomorrow, all those them Goya will be disappointed in you. All those them Goya so they'll go ahead their head in shame. Maybe now your matter will come cover me and Goya matter. Yes. Yes. Maybe now your matter will cover me and Goya. You will regret why you give Goya this gift. So that I want you to give her more gift. That's why they declare you enemy today. And from that same minute, I will tell the world what you do me. Yes. I'm a very smart person. That is the reason why I am today now they talk with confidence. Yes. I'm a very smart person. That is why today I talk with evidence of proof. You know what? I will make you to confess by yourself. If you cannot confess by yourself, Then, wait for me. I will help you confess. Then I can't let the world know if I be bad person to you or if now you be bad person to me. So you want to spoil my asshole or if you want to spoil your ass. You know? But you not go good say I just use math talk like this. I don't play evidence of proof. Because I warn you, I don't like betrayal. Since all this while, I never thought we're going to be doing this. That's the truth. I never thought we're going to sit on platforms today and be doing this. I'm going to play one audio. Then when I come back tomorrow, before then, try me use your mouth to confess everything. For you to go and give Goya rose or anything where you give her, I will beat you put. You are a betrayer, and I am going to do that betrayal to you. You are a devil. You are a devil. You think I'm that kind of a man that can use lions to bear? You think I'm a man that you can use lions to bear? After you don't bear me, let me play one audio. My counselor, I know you are coming here to beg. I know. My swagalicious counselor. I know. But please, why not bring her up for me? Bring her up for me. Bring her up for me.
Enogie, please, okay, for you to believe, see, me, sir, hey, I had to leave people and bring those to come to the car. Enogie, Baba, for your sake, I was called names. For your sake, I'm by your megbe. I beg you, if it's time for you to say, okay, for all they did to this woman, let me, Enogie, please, Baba, Laho, please, don't. I
For my
beg you in the name
sake,
of God.
your name
I beg you.
your name was being rubbished. And it come from
Baba,
all
it's
these
okay.
people who rubbish your name.
It's okay. Justice will prevail. It's okay. It's okay. Even though my two adult kids have seen what they post about me, but it's okay. No kafi ofi nekere. No kieke fi I can okay de. Enogie, please. When they go low, you go high. Enogie, please. Onayagwa law. You
But
won't do it.
this is a betrayal already.
Enogie, please. The world is full of betrayal. Please. Enogie, please. Please. My career is at stake. They called me prostitute. And so we tally Mekere on that. I have all the videos. But Baba, please. Please.
Baba
Please.
Enogie.
Please. Enogie, you will
Baba
not do
Enogie.
it. No. Please.
Please me.
Baba
Bye.
I beg
Baba
you.
Enogie. Baba Enogie, I dey watch
Beg
you
you.
since. I won't beg you one
Baba,
thing.
don't do it. Don't do it,
Where you
please.
won't go so I
I
don't like
beg.
him, Baba Enogie, I
I
beg.
beg, Baba, please.
Enogie,
This
I
is
never
what they
come this
want, and you will
platform
not
beg you
do
for
it.
something.
I beg you, Enogie. I just had to run out of my office. I beg,
I
don't
beg
do
you
it.
were there.
Don't do it. Please,
Enogie,
don't
you
do
need
it,
to do
Baba.
this for me. Where you they
Please
go so I don't
don't.
like him.
Please
Enogie, I
don't.
beg. Enogie, where you they go so I beg, I don't like him. I love I beg you something. Make sure say you abandon this one for me. I beg. Do this one for me. I
Enogie,
beg.
please. It's okay. Enogie, it's okay. See, leave them. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
No,
No, I
okay,
didn't
make
tell
this thing
you.
down like this. Make
Please,
this
let
thing
it
down like this,
go.
I beg. Make this thing
Let
down
it
like this.
go. No, you
I
won't do
beg,
it. Don't
rest
do
like
that,
this.
Enogie. Don't do that, Baba. See, it's okay.
No,
It's
okay, I beg.
okay.
Make this thing down like this. I use God beg you.
It's
Now we
okay.
go.
Yeah,
You are a
you will.
family man.
There
I beg
are
now.
some commenters you will not feed. And then Natalie for come now. Shall will not mind a single mother. This. Not knowing that I have a grown up son in the American Navy. My son saw my video. I said, you know what, honey? Let it slide. That is it. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Don't get loud. Don't do it. It still won't scare me away from being on your side. I'm not scared, man. It's okay. I'm still gonna be there. It's okay. Don't scare me. I love humanitarian. When I meeting you, I gained the daughter. I now have favor as a daughter. So I want to it's okay. You will not do what your enemies want you to do. Oh, you will not dance to that tune. Don't do that.
No gay.
Don't ever let them see you coming. They won't see you coming. Don't do that.
My counselor,
Hello.
I hate betrayals in my life. I don't like when you betray me.
We know.
I don't like it.
Okay.
When you betray me.
It's okay, Rami. It's okay.
When you betray me, I don't like it.
It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. You know how you know all I've been going through for the past days.
The
Okay.
trauma they give my kids, you go to give.
It won't stop your kids from being who God has destined them to be.
Mama.
My call.
If not be say I marry responsible man,
You know Allah.
I just there with pets we go kill me. I go just there free, go just kill me because of a care.
It's okay, Laoji.
Get family. Una go want buy less, poor he has. Now una go they mock me say that one a man, jobless man. I una day in life for WhatsApp. Una they beg for WhatsApp.
It's okay,
not
Baba. It's
that
okay.
way. A man you see with a family, you want to destroy his life. If not be say I married
Now,
man.
Cancelo.
I married
He come be like say na me be bad person.
You brought me
No, it's okay. It's okay. You're not
He come be like say na me be bad person because they are using me to change to a bad person.
It's okay.
Because Cancelo, let me tell you what. Cancelo, let me just tell you something now.
Yeah.
If this thing slide like this, meaning I just want bitter for no reason. That's it.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's it. Bitter for no reason.
No, bird one fly, you go shake tree. No, now you let me say, now you drive the birds. Look at her where, please. Where bird one fly, you go shake tree. It's okay. It's okay. I was humiliated. My family, it's okay. Relax, please. But you don't scare me away. You know, my family are so upset. They're gonna do what they have to do at the right time. I think they say, make una handle them now. It's okay. Okay, I said, whoever I know offense, will offend me, he go answer to the boss.
When I me thank this man, what go make my man now?
He's a good man. He's a good man. Please.
When I me thank this man, if not some men, when I me thank this man,
it's okay.
Now I know say na man marry.
That is it.
This man, what go make my man now? He protect me so well. No need anything go happen to me.
He's a good husband. No matter what, it's true. Allah, beg.
He don't get document. He jobless. Una one born girl. Something that they say, not the born again.
It's okay.
I see things from my WhatsApp. My husband WhatsApp. I they share from
exactly. The only person you need to show something like you. Now only you alone can show something.
I
only your wife deserves explanation, not us, not nobody. Only your wife deserves it, not the world, not commenters, not anybody, please. Only your wife. You've shown her, so be it. It's okay.
So protective. He protects me so much.
It's okay.
Beat me and kill me.
It's okay. Only your wife deserves explanation, not me, not anybody alone. Please. Please. Papa, it's okay. It's okay. You know what I've been going through for the past 2 days. I leave things for God. Okay. Hello, I beg.
But let me
only your wife deserves explanation. Only she. Not that person.
Let me keep low for the now.
I beg.
But may not spoil my head again because
we relax.
The only thing that they do for a year now to help people. This is what I have been doing. This is what I have been doing to people. But All of them gang up against me and go. I don't send any of their papa.
No, it's okay. The real ones we stay. No, where. Now, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. If I don't marry a good man, for the past 2 days, my family, I'm a very private person. I'm not just a counselor. I'm a law enforcement counselor.
Asha,
you want to destroy my career. It's okay, but
just because
it's okay.
You see people around me.
It's okay.
They want evil. Maybe slow poison among them.
It's okay, Laom. It's okay.
Don't want now you're be like tortoise.
I beg.
Because you make me a bad person. So I be one exposed one by one.
No, now only your wife need explanation, not that person, not us. Hey man, now your wife. And you're gonna talk to your wife, apologize to her, explain to her. Only she, not anybody. Oh, I call my husband, say, see, you know that my brother normally support. My husband just look, he said, it's okay. But my adult kids are angry, upset. I said, it's okay, guys, just chill. It's okay, chill. You know, a single mother, since I was born, I've been in Italy one time in my life for visit. For a work meeting. It's okay. Okay, please. I did go back to office. I'll vest. I did go back to office. I left my patients waiting. Where's it? Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye. Where's it? Yeah.
It's okay. Hello, Alpha.
How you could use me such a bad person? Why am I madam? Okay, you make your madam. Okay, you make your madam. I go for let the world know say I no be bad person. So that all those people wanna go they deceive.
Am I dead one? Please. To the go over Sabi. I don't know. Who be the person say what's in here? What's in here?
No, please. We can say look back.
Who be that now?
We can say look away. I could be. You know why I can away for the now.
All the moderator are gonna no help. The pair moon block here, opening or breaking people up. Come here, there's one the next thing, please. In my I comment. Try so it was a big way. Then does see you be game go on here do I make play. My way please you need too much and I block the person. I don't know. When I call a panel I make it now block she say supporter no mama no now. You see me I know where I see and woman. See 3 minutes to my ladies, my fellow no go tell I want to not be batting, I beg. See on this so I say you see men maybe you get what they know what women be women. Once your man tell you say this person I not make they close to her again, not feeling a bad person or they pursue friend for your body. Don't have my WhatsApp. I don't want to have your own. Don't come. I don't want to call you. If your man they tell you properly, stay away from this person. I don't want you. No, say they protect you. No feel say your man no one make too often they play. Your man no one see you with this person. That man is protecting you. This man is a savior to my life. Is a godsend. Now, God bless God when He give my husband wisdom to take know. My husband I know the meaning of family. If not some man, the way women take day after in life, me I ain't go for the break up because after Roya walk on WhatsApp, they cry. But now there for the show me love pass. Now there for the respect me pass. I go why I spark, go bring me down. If not so they go need opportunity because there's Sarah. If your man is trying to stop you for something, back off. Back off. No say, you know like my friend. You know not say my friend. That man know the reason why he stopping you from that friend. See, you see people who they cause us so now our savior. As good as they cause me so. Now God go bless go here. I go you know say me and she they fight. No pray to get that person who loves you and he want to buy you slowly. The many. Beware of friend. I'm not a friend flicker. Friend, not they flick me. Outside, not they freak me. Party, not they freak me. Maybe if not, because of Ekia, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you don't you keep me away.
Go and thank your God.
Do you keep me away?
Say people come into your rescue. Not be waiting on go still happen. Ciao. Not be waiting on go happen. Not be waiting on go happen. It go still happen when the time comes. But now I want to respect my fans. Plus that one way they do last no poison. Oh wacky, okay. If you are wacky.
She's so much sure.
Slow poison. Slow poison.
She's so much sure. Inside na devil.
Slow poison. Now you all go worst. Man, because we don't to spoil my name.
For public,
I don't cover for Natalia. I don't feel cover again.
She's so mature. She's so mature.
She's so calm.
She's so calm.
Let me give you bad person.
Wow, I love her.
Now don't use me to play those games.
She's a devil.
Now don't use me, to play that game.
Leave my Lady J. It's not Lady J.
You see me?
I beg you.
That thing of now, I will meet you now.
It's not Lady J. Please.
I'm gonna please you are number one. I never mention the rest two. The rest two they come for road. But now the thing they pay, they say, as they do reach my platform, no still go down. So now, the one they do and they come and say, if we just to do you.
Mommy.
If we just to do you. They don't say they not fit do you again for night. They call the door for afternoon. Call the door for afternoon.
Mama, what in your shower with you?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. That's yeah.
Okay. You see, is this not the person that my swagalicious counselor was begging for?
Okay. See this thing.
See, somebody, no problem. My advice to my fellow men out there, except saying that you go meet that woman as a married man, except saying that you, because anything where you as a man go by yourself do, if you backfire, you go use your head as a married man to carry on. If any girl comes to you and that person knows very well that you are married, be careful. That's why I talk and reach. If you are not careful, you go fool yourself, you go fool your wife. At the end of the day, people will see you as a very useless man. I am not a useless man. I am not a useless man. I am not a useless man. I am a man to be proud of. I don't want to talk too much. Make I not come go talk what I'm not supposed to talk. What am I go do? Thank you. What am I go do day in hand?
You don't wait for your fair role.
You see that one way. On your other one way be like slow point in your slow point.
Person we want to be friend with all. If I notice those people they
slow point. Now small. Now mobility worse pass you.
Friend with all.
Slow point. Now small mobility worse. I'm that one a devil. But you see young. I mean if not this snake. Enogie.
They change color.
What do you call Enogie for English?
Chameleon.
Chameleon. I don't know if you know chameleon. That is the other slope. That one are like this. It can be black, it can be red, it can be green, it can at it in 1 minute. And I overcome you all. I will meet you now. All of them. The one way I not go meet, now the one I deceive. But I will still stay away from those people because why? You all hear from one side, you not hear from the other side. How you all conclude? Meaning you never loved me. You are to be concluded with one thing, say, okay, may I hear from the other part. That's what I mean. If you tell me, say, only one, oh, I want to use, okay. If you tell me, say, Perigodi is not a bad person, I go wait first, make Perigodi do the thing for my head before I believe I say, Perigodi is a bad person. Because if it be saying you are Perigodi, get problem. If you be saying you are Perigodi, get problem. You got to play the saga of me and the Perigodi. The Topolo Moki not. You know saga the Topolo Moki back. Not because they support it today. We are there for the quarter way, they not for the setup for this life. Go yeah, I want to quench our saga quietly. Make the whole TikTok. Go and thank your stars. And I did in a very good mood today. You know what? I'm gonna please. I go still meet you. That your man when you say now only one that cried. I want to see him.
Agenda fear now.
I want to see that your man when the time comes. That your man. I want to see him. I'll expose you to the general public that your gifting people is not for you. Is it that you are gifting them for the purpose of your own selfish interest, or you are gifting them for problem? You get your dad name where I'm supposed to call you now. I'll call you that name when I'm going to repeat you. You know, take time again. You escape today, maybe from Counselor, from Makugbe. The one way you go see again, you know if you escape. And that one with the cup, that one, that chameleon. Yeah, he said, that chameleon now want to beat you. Go tell you what. Chameleon, I want to beat him. Hello, Epa, that one. Epa, if you turn, you be snake. If you turn, you be devil. If you face me again, you'll laugh with me. You know that I'm a spiritual man. These people for finish my life. My fans would have been disappointed in me. My fans would have been disappointed in me. And at the end of the day, they will tell you that, oh.
We might not, we are way more. Perigodi, if you watch a request. Because he play a video of Perigodi, we take on without pursue Perigodi. Without pursuing Perigodi, if you are watching because they never Perigodi. If you are watching request.
In fact, this is not